Okay, decision game 3 na ta mga boards sa atong Enter Barangay. Volleyball dayon tournament diri sa Danlag Consolacion Cebu. Between Team Tulo-Tulo versus Team Lamak. This event is sponsored by the Honorable Mayor Teresa Aligado of Consolacion Cebu. Team Lamak pouring in for the kill. Answered by Bintoy. Let it fly. Ay. Side out, side out.
Point.
Oh, point. Oh no na words. Service yo Ikloy. Bang. Point. May mega pongko. Birds. 3-0 na mga birds, 3-0. Decision game 3, championship matchup. Enter Barangay. Volleyball dayon tournament diri sa Danglag. Consolacion Cebu. Ekloy to serve. Para 4. Ekloy again. Attacking the defense of Team Lamak. Ekloy, let it fly. Bintoy, what a shot! Heavy loading shot coming from Bintoy. Answered by Team Lamak. Too strong. Out ball. Point again for Team Tulo-Tulo. Quatro na, kini para 5 para sa Team Tulo-Tulo. Ekloy. Pasok na naman. Corner shot is good for Bintoy. 5-0. Ekloy again. Johnny. High up on the air. Bombing the defense. Drop shot. No good for Team Lamak. 6-0, change court. This game is brought to you by the Crunchy and Tasty Maricel Anthony Chicharon. Pwedeng ulamin sa sarap. Ang jeans Hollow Blocks. If you are in need of a durable Hollow Blocks, call Dean's Hollow Blocks at Ilayad Dumanog. Size 11 mga birds ang ato score. 6-0. 11 naman. 0 pa ang kontra. Team Lamak. Team Lamak again. Good item delivered by Team Tulo-Tulo. City 0. Ekloy to sa para 8. Bintoy. Bitaya depensa. 8-0. Last 4. Tara. Team Tulo-Tulo is just 4 points away from the champion, being a champion of this Enter Barangay here in Danglag, Consolacion Cebu. 4 points na lang mga boards ang kuwang. Bola sa Team Tulo-Tulo. Gisiruhan ang Team Lamak sa atong decision game 3. Okay, back to the ball game. Pasok, 9-0. Ana. Spike, thunderous spike coming from Bintoy. 10-0. Lasto. Agak, drop shot, pasok. 11-0 para champion. Servisyo. Champion na ang Team Tulo-Tulo. Congrats Ikloy, Bintoy, and Johnny.